There's always a problem with the filler. Part of the meat still stays in there, and I'm going to try something today, see a way to remove most of the meat what's still in there. I'm using a balloon for that. So hold on. First I'm too lazy to put another casing on it because it's empty. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I fill the balloon with water. Should be about what goes in. We have on meat left in the filler. So, oops, try to get all the air out. Out of it. Hope there's no air in there. Should be no. Okay, I put it in the filler on the bottom to the front and see. Or it will pop, or it will press the meat out. It's like a hydraulic system, so it moves the force to all sides. That will push the meat out. The problem is we really don't know when it's the end. If you got a big pipe, it probably goes in there, but this is pretty small, so I have no idea. So I guess that's what it is. Here's the balloon in there. Most of the meat is out there. There's still some meat right here. Still some left. But a lot came out, not wasting too much of the meat. It's okay. Okay, it's clean. least you can make a couple more sausages.